There's a group of people hiking down the mountain, and I'm pretty sure they're all on mushrooms.
That's it. We're not gonna hike the whole thing. We're gonna hike as much as we can.
As much as we can! Wilbur, are you excited? You wanna go for a walk? Oh! Sing it again. How was the walk, Max?
He's
Oh, so good! Wow! Wow! Wilbur, let go! Okay, we've turned around. We only did half of the mountain today. It's pouring rain. It's a little cold. I brought my rain jacket. Reflections on the hike. Don't do it when you're recovering from the flu. We did it! Were you happy?
No.
Hi. You're so cute.